how to find the clipboard on Android. So if you are looking for a clipboard on Android device, then this video might helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So the clipboard can be found on your keyboard. So let me show you through the notes. Here I'm opening up the note first, showing you the clipboard. So at the lower section you can see here is my keyboard, and in the keyboard there are various options like sticker, clipboard, and gifs, and many more. You just have to tap over the clipboard or the third option on the row, and you can see clipboard is displayed. Right now my clipboard is empty, but when you copy something it will be available in this section. You can also turn it off by tapping over the on button right next to pencil at the right hand side, and it will be turned off. And you can also edit by tapping over the pencil like icon, and a new item can be added like that. So this is how simply you can find the clipboards on Android. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.